The question is, nitrogen exists as a diatomic molecule and phosphorus as tetraatomic molecule, which is P4. Why? The answer is, the nitrogen atom has small size and high electronegativity due to its nitrogen form pp pi bonds with itself and with other elements which have small size and high electronegativity, for example, carbon and oxygen. The elements which are heavier of this group do not form p-pi bonds because their atomic orbitals are so large and diffuse that they cannot have effective overlapping. So they generally form p-pi d-pi or d-pi bonds. Thus, nitrogen exists as a diatomic molecule with a triple bond 1s and 2p between the two atoms. On the contrary, uh, phosphorus has less tendency to form p-pi bonds and hence it exists in the form p4. Phosphorus usually uses its d orbital also to form bonds.